Okay, welcome back my dear students. In this video, I explain about the functions of the lysosomes. Okay, so functions of the lysosomes. So generally, the first function is it digests the foreign materials. It digests. So it digests the foreign materials. Okay, digest the foreign materials which brought into the cell through the process of phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Through the process of phagocytosis and cytosis. Okay, so pinocytosis. Okay, so this is the first function, and the second one is if you take the WBC. So general WBC contains more number of lysosomes. That means it has a lytic enzymes. More lytic enzymes. Okay, right. So WBC generally the function of the WBC is it digests the bacteria. Okay, it kills the bacteria. Through the lytic enzymes. Okay, right. So generally the lytic enzymes is present in the lysosomes. Okay, right. So this is the second function. And third one is intracellular digestion. Okay, third one is intracellular digestion. So what is intracellular digestion? So intracellular digestion. Yes, already you know that. The intracellular digestion means it is also called as autophagy. Okay, right. So that means primary lysosomes generally digest the stored food in its cells. Okay, so generally the primary lysosome digest. Okay, so digest the stored food in its cell. Okay, stored food in its cell. That is called intracellular digestion. In some conditions, when the cell organelles become older or damaged, then the cell organelles also digested by the lysosomes. Okay, so that is also called as intracellular digestion. Okay, so these lysosomes, it may even also digest the cell organelles. Okay, right. It may even digest the cell organelles. Okay, cell organelles. Okay, yes. So this is the intracellular digestion. And now we know the autolysis. So what is autolysis? Okay, so autolysis means dissolution of certain tissues. Okay, so dissolution of tissues. Okay, tissues and organs. Dissolution of tissues and organs by their lytic enzymes of own lysosome. Okay, lytic enzymes of own lysosome. For example, if you take the Ascidian larva. So Ascidian. Okay, here take the Ascidian larva, generally called as tadpole. Okay, tadpole. And the frog larva also called as the frog larva, also called as tadpole. Okay, right. If you take the tadpole larva, general tadpole larva is look like a fish appearance. It contains tail. At the time of metamorphosis, the tail will be disintegrate from the body of the tadpole. Okay, at the time of metamorphosis, okay, when the tadpole gets metamorphosis, then the tail will be digested by the lysosome. That is the example of autolysis. Okay, right. Here another function is generally you know that acrosome. Already you know the term acrosome. Yeah. So acrosome. So generally the acrosome is present in the sperm, tip of the sperm. Okay. So acrosome generally regarded as the modified of lysosome. So generally called the acrosome generally called as regarded as a modified lysosome. Okay, so generally the acrosome is called as the modified lysosome. Okay, regarded as a modified lysosome because generally the acrosome generally lyses the layers of the ovum. Okay, so generally lysosome dissolves. So dissolves the layers of ovum at the time of fertilization. Because how the layers will be disintegrate or dissolves by the lytic enzymes. That means the acrosome secretes lytic enzymes. So lytic enzymes. Okay, it will be resembles with the lysosome. Okay, so that's why the lysosome is regarded as a modified lysosome. Okay, because it contains lytic enzymes which dissolves the layers of the ovum. Okay, these are the functions of the lysosomes.